Good morning everyone, he is Emile traveling. This is now today I show something special. This is the old train before maybe 300,000 years ago, you know, so long time ago. So this train is a very old train. Remember now we are in 2023, so we have a technology trend, but this one is very the old one, really. So, and I don't want to go in because I have to pay. In this country where I am now, we don't pay transport, but this train we have to pay because it's very a special train. Let me give you a zoom. We don't use that kind of train anymore. I think before United States, Las Vegas, Washington, they used to leave the train like this one. England, UK, yes, but now don't forget, this is a Luxembourg country. Alright, yeah, this is the driver over there. Yes, I'll show you more about it. Okay, let me show you more about it. You can see the girl. Okay, check it out. So right here now, how is it? It's an old train. Alright, the tourists they are going. It's like a war. It's like a war, old train, long time ago. You hear me? Yeah. Long time ago. Someone calling me. This is my son mother calling me. But if I take the call, my video will fall down. Oh, you hear a train? Yo, so today is the day to make a video. Why now? So now I'm gonna show something about the same train I was showing you. The train is gone. So now, and I'm gonna just show you the date of the train. Let me give a zoom. It's a very old train. I give a zoom back again. Alright, and 1900. Alright, this is the date. So the city where we are, it's Pétange train. You see Pétange train. Pétange is the name of the city, and the train date is 1900. So the train is very old. And that time, you know, yeah, this is very long. So today the world is changed. We have technology train. That kind of train we don't have it anymore. So this train, that's why now the tourists use it. You know, it's like a story train. Okay, we see in other video because I have something to do.